O ito, real talk, para sa mga senador na ang tatapang makipag-away sa China tulad ni Erwin Tulfo, Risa Hontiveros at saka si Kiko Pangilinan. Ito, pakinggan nyo, tingnan nyo kung anong difference between China and Philippines military base.
Madali po kasing maging matapang. Ang problema, paano kung patulan tayo? The military capability of China is very vast. In fact, they have between 1,200 to 1,500 fighter planes, including fourth generation fighters, J-10, J-16, J-7 variants, and fifth generation J-20. Yung ating pong ginagamit na Korean-made na eroplano, baka pagka nadaanan ng fighter plane ng China, hindi na kailangan na gagamitan ng missile, baka bumagsak. They have around 7 to 9,000 tanks, 4 active aircraft carrier, 6 conventional submarines, 12 nuclear-powered ones, 10 ballistic missile subs. Eh tayo, bangka lang, may mga katik pa. The People's Liberation Army numbers between 1.7 to 2.2 million. At kaya ko lang ito nabanggit dahil nga I believe that kagaya ng sinabi ng ating distinguished minority leader, we have to proceed with caution. And if there is a diplomatic way to resolve the problem, then we should do it.
Military pa lang yan, guys, ha? Military pa lang yan. Hindi pa natin sinalo yan sila Jackie Chan, sila Samuhong. Diyos ko po sa mga pag hindi mo masabing 50-50, but it's more on like 80-20. 80% ang power ng China, 20%, or it might be just 10% lang tayo. Diyos ko, kaya nga sabi ni FPRD before, kung sinong gusto mo kayo pag-away sa China, sige, iahatid ko kayo doon sa West Philippine Sea. Tapos, iiwan ko kayo dahil hindi natin kaya makipag-away sa China. Anyway, again, that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think for now. Cheers, bye!